Everyone, I am Santosh Shogonda Hundrao. I am from Sangli. Today date is 20, 20 in December 2021. Today topic is version of Java and new features, new versions and changes in done Java. Java version history. JDK Alpha and Beta. First version is JDK Alpha Beta. It is in 1995. The Java Alpha and Beta was the first released, but the have high unstable APIs and ABIs. The supplied Java web browser was named Web Runner. JDK 1.0 January 23, 1996. It was the first stable released version of Java. It is the codename was Oak. The first stable version of JDK was JDK 1.0.2 and it was called Java 1. Up to JDK 1.0.1, private and protected keywords could be used together to create another form of protection which used to act as a restriction to method and variables, mainly to subclasses of a given classes. In JDK 1.0.2, this is a capability has been removed. Third one is the JDK 1.1, February 1997. Some addition were included to this version. For example, the concept of inner class, Java Beans JDBC, RMI, AWT event model was totally reshaped. Reflection, which is support in introspection only. Modification was not possible at runtime. JIT, just in time compiler on Microsoft Windows platform, produced for Java soft by Symantec, internationalization and Unicode support originating from Telligent. Fourth one is a J2SE 1.2, December 8, 1998. Its codename was Playground. First time it is called J2SE Java 2 Platform Standard Edition. It is replaced JDK and recognized the base platform from J2EE Java 2 Platform Enterprise Edition and J2ME Java 2 Platform Micro Edition. It was a very important Java released as a triple the size of the Java platform to 1520 classes in 59 package Java plugin Java IDL and IDL implementation for the Corba information collection framework. The saving graphical API was integrated into the core classes. JVM was equipped the JIT compiler for the first time. J2SE 1.3 May 8, 2000. It is codename was Kestrel. Some addition were included to this version. Example, hotspot JVM include the RMI was modified to support optional compatibility with the Corba JNDI Java naming and directory interface. Java platform debugger architecture JPDA include the Java sound synthetic proxy classes. J2SC 1.4 February 6, 2002. It is the codename was Merlin. It was the first Java platform which was released under the Java community process. Some addition were included to this version. For example, improved libraries, Perl regular expression included, provided expectation chaining. It allows the expectation to encapsulate or original lower level expectation. IPv6 support internet protocol version 6. logging API specified in JSR 47, image input output API for reading and writing image in format like JPEG and PNG, XML parser and XSLT processor, integrated security and intention JSE JAAS integrated J2SE 5.0 September 30 2004. It is a codename was Tiger. It was originally numbered 1.5, which is still used as internal version number. So it was changed to 5.0 to better reflected the level of maturity, stability, scalability, and security of the J2SE. This process also released under the Java community process support and security update for Java 5.0 ended on November 3, 2009, but update were available to paid Oracle customer until May 2015. Java SE 6 December 11, 2006. It is the codename was Mustang after the release of the version. Java replaced the name J2SE to Java SE and dropped the 0.0 from the version number. Some addition were included to this version. For example, dropped the support for older Win9 X version, scripting language support, generic API for tight integration with scripting language, improve the web service support, JDBC 4.0 supports use the Java compiler API to invoke a Java compiler programmatically. Java SE 7 July 28, 2011. It is the codename was Dolphin. It was launched on 7 July 2011, but was made available for developers on July 28, 2011. Some addition were included to this version. For example, JVM support for dynamic language, compressed 64 bits pointer, string added in switch, automatic resource management in the try statement, underscore allows in numeric literals, binary integer literals, improve type interface for creating generic instance, also called diamond operator, improve catching and throwing catch multiple exception and retho with improved type checking. Java SE 8 March 18, 2014. Its codename was Spider. Although codename has been discontinued, but the codename Spider is common among Java developers. It includes some features which were proposed for Java SE 7 but added in Java SE 8. Java SE 9 September 21, 2017. In 2016, Oracle discussed some features to release in Java 9. It was hoped that Java 9 would include better support for multi-gigabyte heaps, better native code integration, different default garbage collector, and self-turning JVM. Their release of Java 9 was posted many times, and finally it was released on September 21, 2017. It includes some specific features. Modularization of the JDK under project Jigsaw, provided money and currency API, tight integration with Java Apex, Java implementation of reactive stream, more concurrency updates, provides Java linker, automatic scaling and sizing. Java SE 10 March 20, 2018. Java SE 10 was released to remove primitive data types and move towards the 64-bit addressable array to support large data sets. It was released on 20 March 2018 with the cumulative and features confirmed. These features are local variable type interface, uh, experimental Java based JIT compiler. This is the integral of GARL dynamic compiler for the Linux x64 platform. Application class data sharing. This allows application classes to be placed in shared architecture, reduce startup and footprint for Java application. The time-based release versioning parallel full GC for G1 garbage collector interface, additional Unicode language tag extension, root certificate, thread local handshakes, heap allocation on alternative memory device. uh, Remove the native header, uh, generate generation tool. Java consolidate the JDK forest into a single repository. Upcoming Java version Java SC 11. Thank you.